Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exchange rewards the OVR player between 89 and 97 TOTS player in FC Mobile. So before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get one of reward from this game. Let's get started by open the exchange feature here and try to search in this TOTS exchange the this one. So this one, I mean 90 and 93 OVR. So all you have to do is exchange with 4 player with 90 plus a OVR here. So if you do have player with 90 plus, 4 player is enough. I think this one Joko, I don't need him, and also Philip Lam. And then 6 player with 80 plus, it's very easy. And last is 12 player with 70 plus. So done. If you fulfill the condition, this will turn green, so you can do exchange in here. So if you're lucky, you can get one of this player. You got 3 players here, so please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video. Enjoy the game.